Okay, welcome all the board exam takers from UP and Bihar batch. We at Sigma classes are starting a new foundation batch for NDA aspirants on 22nd of February. Now, the details are already mentioned on the screen. We have a very committed set of English and mathematics teachers for all your needs for this NDA 2 exam for the September NDA exam, September date. It's not NDA 1, which is in April, but the September exam. The phone number is given 83686 The English classes will be taken by expert Sahil Mittal, who knows how to crack any UPSC exam, and the best teacher in mathematics, of course, is well known Anuj Seth sir, who will diligently take all your classes with doubts and stretching over 200 hours of complete maths curriculum. These are some of our rank holders: Prince Raj with the All India rank 16, Sachin Kumar, Hemant Yadav, Akhil, Aman Pundia, Abhishek, and Mukul Rana. Of course, written have been cleared by thousands of other students, but here I'm just talking of some of the rank holders who've been able to clear their batches, clear the NDA exam in first attempt and come in flying colors. What else is of significance? The batch will start from 22nd February 2023 from 11 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. and it'll fulfill your demand. Now, we also have for these UP and Bihar aspirants IIT and NEET exam and a career counseling session also, where just by taking a psychometric test we will be able to suggest the right career for you, so you are able to get on to after your graduation in the right field and are not amongst the failed lakhs of aspirants for any job or vacancy. So you choose the right career and choose Sigma for success. Thank you.